we'll guide you through how to set the NVIDIA graphics card as the default graphics card on a Windows computer. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super useful to go and do, as otherwise you may be using the integrated graphics card, which is the part of your processor, and so you aren't getting the maximum amount of performance. The first step is to make sure you have the NVIDIA app installed on your PC. You can just go to their official website and download it using this button right here. After installation, restart your computer and click on the search bar. Type in NVIDIA Control Panel and open it from here. It can take some time to load. Now click on the Manage 3D settings located on the top left side of the pop-up window. From here, locate the CUDA GPUs option and select your external GPU from this drop-down menu. Also scroll till you find the Power Management mode. Open the menu and select Prefer Maximum Performance to gain extra power from your external GPU, which will also help you to generate more frames in games. If you don't want to change the global settings and only want some of your applications and games to use the external GPU more, you can simply go to the Program Settings tab from here. After loading, just select your preferred executable from this list, or just add it manually from here. Modify the same options and also don't forget to apply to save the settings. You can also do this from the Windows settings. Go to your taskbar and select the Windows icon. Open the settings from above. Now, from the left panel, select System and Display options. Scroll down till you find the Graphics option at the end. Click it. Here you can find all of the games and applications. If you can't find your preferred one in this list, simply click on the Add Desktop App button from here. It will open the File Explorer window. Head to the executable file you want to modify, select, and add it from here. Now click on this arrow icon. From GPU Preference, select the High Performance option that also has your external GPU name mentioned. From this option, you can modify almost every program and game to force it to use your NVIDIA graphic card. Now just close the settings, and that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.